Hello to all traders. Today I've prepared another scalping strategy for you that can help you achieve very good profits from the market. This strategy is very simple and consists of two indicators that can help you easily identify market trends, and you can also find the points where the market may mislead you. Make sure to watch this video until the end. As always, the first step is to choose your symbol. This scalping strategy is not limited to a specific symbol, so you can choose any symbol you like. Now we need to set our time frame to 5 minutes, but you can choose any time frame you prefer, from 1 minute to even 1 day. Next, we need to add the first indicator to our chart. For this, you need to type Week of Check MA in the search box and click on it to add it to your chart. Then go to the settings of this indicator and make the following changes. First, enter the Input tab and set the source to close. Set the method multi-MA to SMMA and change the length to 37. Now in the trend section, change the length bar to 7 and set week of month to continuation pattern. Next, go to the Style tab and change the colors according to your preference. Now, this indicator is suitable for using this strategy and needs a little explanation. As you can see, this indicator is used as a tool to identify trends. When candles are above the MA line, we consider the trend as bullish trend and look for buy signals. When candles are below the MA line, we consider the trend as a bearish trend and look for sell signals. However, sometimes this indicator gives us false signals and misleads us, which you can see in the examples provided. Like here, you can see buy signals and the candles are above the MA line, and we can enter the buy order according to what we set. But we see that the trade closes with a loss. To prevent such mistakes, we need to add another indicator to our chart and increase our win rate. For this, it's enough to go to the Indicator tab and search for Normalized Smooth Mood. After you find it, just click on it to add it to the chart. As you can see, this indicator needs changes, so we need to enter its settings and in the Input tab, change the MACD Fast Period to 100, MACD Slow Period to 200, Signal Period to 9, and Smoothing Period to 145. Now go to the Style tab and make sure that Red Smooth MACD is set to columns. As you can see, this indicator consists of a zero line which divides this indicator into two parts. Whenever the columns are green and above the zero line, indicate that we are in an uptrend, and we can look for buy signals. Whenever the columns are red and below the zero line, indicate that we are in a downtrend and we must look for sell signals at these points. Don't forget open any trades when the columns are red and above the zero line or green and below the zero line, as this may lead to losses. After learning how to use these two simple indicators, I will explain how to enter a trade. Let's start with the buy orders. First, we need to look for a buy signal which we found here. After that, we need to make sure that at this point, the candles are above the MA line and our trend is bullish. Now we just need to go to the MACD indicator and make sure that the columns of this indicator are green at this point and above the zero line. If all the conditions I mentioned are correct, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now just set the stop loss for the trade. For this, find the last swing low and place your stop loss slightly below that. For the take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. For sell orders, we first need to look for a sell signal. After that, we need to make sure that at this point the candles are below the MA line and our trend is bearish. Then we need to go to the MACD indicator and make sure that at this point all columns are red and below the zero line. Now that all conditions are correct, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point and can enter the trade at this point. For the stop loss, find the last swing high and place our stop loss slightly above that. Now for the take profit, consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close with a profit. As you can see, working with this strategy is very easy, and by using it, you can transform yourself from a losing trader to a profitable one. I'm very happy that you watched this video until the end. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and ask your questions in the comments, because I will answer all of them. I really care about you all. Take care until the next video.